In this video, we analyze Nifty's potential pause after a 14-day winning streak amidst rising global volatility. We also explore key developments in India's defense sector and what's next for the markets. Stay tuned. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trading session is that FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,029.25 crores. But this morning, volatility is back with vengeance on backdrop of extremely weak overnight Wall Street cues. Blame it on the US ISM manufacturing PMI, which showed factory activity contracted for a fifth consecutive month. Manufacturing, a key driver of the American economy, was weak again in August. Investors will now brace for August US jobs report, which will be released on Friday, 6th September. This NFP will provide the next major test for the stock market. Bottom line, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1029 crores while DIIs too bought to the tune of Rs 1896 crores. Sentiments turns to risky amidst weak global cues. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is at 13.84 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.50 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 1.05. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade choppy and most likely hit the pause button. Nifty, CMP to 5280. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 25,121 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,100 and 5350. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51689. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,200 and 52,000. Bias for Bank Nifty for the day is positive. Today, Nifty's 14 straight sessions of winning streak will be put to test. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests confirmation of strength only above Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs, which are placed at 25,333.65 and 82,725.28 respectively. Meanwhile, Defence Ministry approves 10 proposals worth 1.45 lakh rupees crore. The tender is expected to involve Category A shipyards such as Mazago Dock Shipbuilders, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, Goa Shipyard Limited, and Larsen & Toubro.